Harbol. Good afternoon. We are live. We are live sa Living with Meditation page, and this program is brought to you by, or this program is called Usaping Buhay. Yep. Share ko lang yung link. Kumusta po ang aking audio? Haribol, Ninya, good afternoon. Let's have kirtan first. Thanks for standing by, Ninya. You have your friends with you there? Let's have kirtan. Kumusta ang audio ko po? Thank you. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Haribol. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Haribol. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Haribol. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Bo. Good afternoon, Shaikh. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Bo, sing. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Bol. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Kayo naman. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Bol. Hare Bol. Good afternoon, Saibik. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Bol. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare. Haribol. Haribol, April. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Haribol. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Haribol. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Haribol. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Haribol. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Haribol. Haribol. Thank you very much for being here. This is Kuya Chad. This is Usaping Buhay. Real Talk, Real Answers. Brought to you by Living with Meditation FB page. Yeah. So nandito si Ninya. Okay. And ito yung friend mo Ninya, no? Si Shaik. How do I say that name? Shaik. And si April. Tama. Si April nag-attend na tong meditation class, no? Tama ba, April? Doon sa Humanities Office. Si Saivik din, di ba? Wala si sino yan? Si Denisa? Tama ba? Yung isang kasama nyo doon sa sa Humanities Office. Shake daw po. Okay. Yeah, Shake pala. Okay, si Shake. Hello, Shake. Good afternoon. Yun, sa April. Sino yung isang klase nyo? Diba, kayo? Ninya, April, and si Sai, diba? And yung isa. Bisaya. Shake. Ano, paano Bisaya, Ninya? Shake daw po. Oh. So, ang topic ngayon na Sunday ay social media and mental health. Social media and mental health. Or social media. Shaki o shake? Shake yan. Si Regine pa po. Oh, si Regine. Yes, si Regine. Yes, si Regine. So, social media. Ano ba ang social media? Na-improve ba ang mental health natin because of yung sinabi ko na Bisaya, sino nga yun, si Regine or si April, yung Bisaya, sino yun na sino yung sinabihan kong Bisaya, si Regine ba o si April? So, ang topic ngayong Sunday, again, is about social media. Na-improve ba ang ating mental health because of social media? Or parati, or walang improvement na nangyayari? Actually, nasasaktan tayo walang improving na nangyayari kundi hurting. Diba? O si Regine, yung sinabihan ko na parang Bisaya. So yun ang tanong ko, i-comment ninyo, Ninya. Ano ba? Ang social media ba ay na-improve ang ating mental health because of social media, or hindi naman, walang improvement na nangyayari, hurting lang? Nandyan pa rin yung anxiety, nandyan pa rin yung depression. Okay? No po. So ano yan na no. Hindi nag-i-improve through social media based sa na-observe ninyo, based sa mga observation niyo, not necessarily personal na sagot. Pero sa na-observe ninyo sa bahay ninyo, di ba? Sa kasama nyo sa bahay, na-observe ninyo sa mga kaklase ninyo, di ba? Sa college, okay? Na-observe ninyo sa barangay ninyo, sa Pilipinas, okay? Nang-i-improve ba ang mental health ng mga tao because of social media? Okay. So sabi ni Ninya, no, because it makes people insecure if they don't have what is shown online. Yes, I agree. Oo. Haribol, Ma'am Marites. Okay. Sama ka sa convo. So ang tanong ko is, yung social media ba, based sa observation mo, ay nai-improve ang ating mental health, or walang improvement at nandyan pa rin yung hurting, instead of improving, hurting? Sa tingin mo, Marites? So kay Ninya, no. Because it makes people insecure if they don't have what is shown online. Yan. Ayun, sabi naman ni April, na sayang lang po ang oras kada kaka-social media. I agree. Oo. I agree. Personal yan, pag nagbukas ako ng Facebook, pag nagbukas ako ng YouTube, maraming oras talagang magugugol ko dito. Okay? Dahil hook ka na parang yung addicted ka na doon sa ini-scroll mo, di ba? Sa Facebook, sa YouTube. And then, kulang talaga yung matatapos kong work. So, this is in connection dito sa sinabi ni April na masayang lang po ang oras kaka-social media. Yeah, that is true. Meron akong, halimbawa, ako ay may tinatapos na chapter sa aking dissertation. So, hindi ko siya natatapos kasi FB at YouTube, may kailangan checkan na essays ng mga estudyante. So, yun, kailangan gumawa ng communication letter. Kailangan gumawa ng proposal. Kailangan i-proofread ang isang letter. Okay? So, imbis na magawa ko lahat ng yon within the day, okay, ang nangyayari ay, isa lang doon yung natatapos ko. Isa lang doon yung natatapos ko dahil sa kaka-social media. So, I agree with April, talagang it's a waste of time. Pero sabi naman ni Ma'am Marites, depende sa mga pinapanood po. So both ibig sabihin ng both ay na-improve yung mental health, and at the same time hindi na-improve yung mental health dahil sa pinapanood. Okay? So, sabi ni Ma'am Marites, for me, nakaka-improve naman po ang ibang post, saka may mga informative din naman po at nakakaaliw panoorin. Yes. Meron talaga. Meron naman talagang mga informative na mga social media na pwedeng makatulong sa atin. Well, for example, itong Living with Meditation na FB page, di ba? So, in this case, well, sa amin, hindi ko alam, I cannot speak sa ibang mga FB pages, okay? Pero dito sa page namin, syempre, ang sasabihin ko is that this program or page sa FB social media, okay, pag nakapunta kayo dito sa page namin, it will really give you information, okay, how to overcome stress, anxiety, depression, paano kayo mabibigyan ng practical guidance. So, in that sense, okay, pwedeng ma-improve ang ating mental health. Okay? Saan pa ba? Basahin ko yung ibang Sabi ni Roderick Mila Harbol, bali sir, pag ginagamit naman sa kabutihan, okay naman po. Ayun. Yun nga. Okay, so itong FB page namin ay ginagamit talaga namin araw-araw. May nag-i-inquire, araw-araw may nag-i-inquire dito sa FB page namin kasi meron kaming paid ad inviting them to attend free meditation classes to overcome anxiety and depression. And araw-araw merong nag-inquire. Okay? Hindi lahat nagtutuloy-tuloy sa kanilang meditation classes, but araw-araw may nag-inquire. So ibig sabihin, araw-araw meron talagang nakaka-experience ng anxiety. And malaking tulong kapag nagagamit natin yung social media sa paraan na makakatulong talaga sa netizens. Okay? Pero pag sobra na, may lumalabas na inggit, galit, katamaran, hindi maganda yon. Yan, oo. Yun. So, ang recommendation namin, dito kayo sa page. Dito kayo sa page namin. Every day, okay? Punta kayo sa Living with Meditation FB page, simula umaga, okay, may post yan dyan. Pwede nyong basahin, pwede nyong panoorin. Okay, every afternoon, merong recorded na kirtan, music meditation. Doon, pwede nyo po yun panoorin. Okay? Ano pa ba? Sabi ni pahabol ni Ninya, it can cause a lot of distractions and make it hard to focus on important things like studying or spending time with family. It also affects mental health since seeing too much of other people's perfect lives can make you feel insecure or unhappy. Yan. So some people experience cyberbullying or online pressure which can lower self-esteem. Yes. Instead of helping, social media often wastes time and creates stress. So I think it does more harm than good. Yes. Okay. So for me, nakaka-improve naman po ang ibang post saka may mga informative. Yun na nga, dito sa page namin, ma'am. At saka po na-update din po ako sa mga maritesan. Joke sa mga latest na balita. Yes sir, a big help for me. Yes. Itong Living with Meditation. Sa social, di ba, pag pinag-usapan yung social media, di ba, ano yan, tama ba ako, Ninya, yung mga kabataan ngayon, ito yung mga social media platforms, FB, am I right? YouTube, di ba? Instagram, di ba? Ano pa ba? TikTok, ano pang ibang mga platforms? Parang yun lang ang alam ko eh. FB, YouTube, IG, di ba? Instagram. Meron pa bang ibang platforms? Discord. Platform din ba yun? TikTok, yes. So, yes, meron sa social media, merong mga information dyan na pwedeng makabigay ng, para sa amin, temporary relief. Threads. April. Ngayon ko lang nalaman, meron threads. That's another platform. So, na ako? Hindi ko alam yan. I-search natin yan, na threads. May threads pala. I-search ko ang thread ngayon dito. Threads, may S. Haribol, sir. Sir Edil, Haribol. Threads daw. Join threads. Okay. Shares, ideas, ask questions, post random thoughts, find your people, and more. Sige. May threads. So, Sa mga platforms na ito, of course, pasensya na kayo, narinig nyo siguro yung tahol sa amin. Twitter, yes. Tama, Ninya. Nakalimutan ko yung Twitter pala. Oo. Twitter, sir. Pero X na siya ngayon. Yes. Antabayanan ninyo sa TikTok. Mag-ano ako doon sa TikTok. Meron na akong account. Wala pang mga touch, wala pang ang tawag ba diyan? Wala pang entries. Okay, pero may account na ako sa TikTok. Pero wala pang mga post. Yan, post at ang tawag diyan. So, ang gusto kong sabihin is meron naman talagang mga platforms or programs sa social media platforms na informative. Nagbibigay ng information para sa amin, magbibigay ng temporary relief. Panandalian lang na relief. Based on our realization, based on my realization, may mga programs or posts sa mga social media platforms na nagbibigay ng information, nagbibigay ng entertainment, okay? Nagbibigay ng discussion, nagbibigay ng mga arguments, and all of these, they give temporary relief, okay, or temporary improvement ng mental health natin. Okay. Halimbawa, halimbawa ito, meron akong friend, okay? Parang 5 to 8 years na silang mag-boyfriend and girlfriend since high school, di ba? And then after college, siguro after a year na nag-graduate sila, kasi magka-batch sila, they've nakipag-break yung babae. Although ayaw naman talaga ng lalaki, but nakipag-break yung babae. And meron ng iba yung babae. Okay. So, gustong bumalik yung friend ko na lalaki, pero sabi niya ayaw niya na, and pinakita niya through cellphone, through video, may ka-video call yung babae, that ayaw ko na sa'yo, meron na akong iba. Ito, pinakita niya kung yung kapalit niya. So, of course, because of that, galit. Okay? Naggalit itong friend ko. Nagkaroon siya ng anger. Actually, hindi man siya galit dun sa ex niya, dun sa babae. Pero galit na galit siya doon sa pinagpalit sa kanya. So, ang sabi niya sa akin, nanonood siya ng mga news sa social media. So, yun yung kanyang way, okay? Para makalimutan yung galit niya. Para ma-improve yung mental health niya. Kasi galit siya eh. So, yung mental health niya, di ba? Pag galit ang isang tao, yung mental health, mababa siya. So, para ma-improve yun, nanonood siya ng mga news, ng mga balita, political. Kasi doon daw, ang ginagawa niya is i-analyze lahat ng mga sinasabi nung mga newscaster, okay? Or kapag may mga ini-interview yung isang broadcaster, may ini-interview yung politiko, or may interview yung isang tao, Tapos i-analyze niya yon. I-analyze niya yung mga sinasabi kung totoo. Diba? So ang gusto kong sabihin dito is in a way yung social media sa situation ng friend ko ay nakatulong temporarily. Panandalian lang. Kasi habang kinikwento niya yun sa akin, wala siya sa social media. Okay, hindi siya nanonood ng news sa YouTube or sa FB. Habang kinikwento niya yung nangyari sa kanya, nandyan pa rin sa kanya yung galit, nandyan pa rin sa kanya yung galit na experience niya dahil sabi niya nga sa akin, actually sir, nasa madilim talaga ako sir, nasa madilim talaga ako. So we're talking in person, nasa madilim talaga ako sir. And pero parang pakitang tao ko lang na ayos ako, nasa maliwanag ako, pero sa totoo sir, ano talaga ako, nasa kadiliman. So yun yung isang example na yes, yung social media, it can really give us a relief to improve our mental health, but it's not enough. Temporary lang yun yung relief na pwedeng maibigay nun sa atin. That's why dito sa Living with Meditation, yes, nag-post kami ng ad, nagbabayad kami ng ad para mag-invite to everyone to attend our free meditation classes if they want to improve their mental health, if they want to have a change of heart, okay, from anger to forgiveness, from envy, nabanggit kanina yung envy, di ba? From envy to satisfaction, di ba? From jealousy to understanding, from hate to love. So we are posting ads and we are paying ads for that dito sa FB, meron din sa Instagram, right? And we're paying for that so that everyone, because we assume that everyone is already in social media. So we want to consider that fact. So we're paying ads so that everyone can see the ads, and then they would inquire paano mag-attend ng classes, and it's for free. But if you really want to have this change of heart, if you really want to improve your mental health, hindi ilang panandalian, kundi forever siya. If you want to really experience satisfaction and happiness and patience and forgiveness and all of these good and favorable qualities, then you need to practice meditation on a regular basis. So social media is just giving us an information. For example, this our FB page, Living with Meditation. It gives you an information to attend our classes. And once you attend your class, meditation class, tuturuan kayo how to practice meditation. But you need to practice meditation. Otherwise, if you will not practice meditation, matagal. Okay? We will still find other ways para ma-improve ang ating mental health. We will not experience this satisfaction, this happiness from love that we are seeking, specifically love for God. Okay, that's what we are seeking. We are souls, we are spirit souls. When you practice meditation, it will give you not just information, not just entertainment. It will not give you information, it will not give you entertainment. When you practice meditation, it will give you self-realization. Self-realization. And maraming prutas ang self-realization. If you have realized your real identity, maraming prutas yan, matatamis na prutas na pwede mong malasahan, matikman. And what's that? Ano itong mga prutas na ito? Happiness, contentment, understanding, forgiveness, love. Because you will have this wisdom when you practice meditation on a regular basis. When you hear and when you chant the holy names of the Supreme Person, the holy names of God, that is meditation. Yung ginawa natin kanina, that is meditation. You hear it. You just simply hear the mantras or the holy names. That's meditation. And there's a good effect on that. Your hearts and your minds will be purified. It will be clean. You will experience purification. And then gradually you will realize, I am a spirit soul. I am a spirit soul. I am a child of God. I'm a child of the Supreme Person. And my natural position in this world is I am servant, dominated. And my natural function in this world is to serve the Supreme Person out of love. Or love God. Love for God. When we practice meditation, then we will have this realization. If we are always motivated in everything that we do by our realization that we are loving servants of God, eternal loving servants of God, if we are this realization and all of our actions are motivated by this realization, then that's the time that we can really use the social media in a good way. Otherwise, ang mangyayari is yung katulad ng sinabi ni Ninya, madidistract ka sa social media, makaka-experience ka lang ng inggit, makaka-experience ka lang ng galit, or mabibigyan ka lang ng panandaliang relief. But if you have this realization that I am a servant, an eternal servant of God, if I have this realization because of my regular practice of meditation, then I will use the social media. I will use the social media to help others transcending their anxiety and depression. So tayo muna. Okay. When we experience this peace, when we experience this happiness, when we experience this satisfaction because of the realization that I am an eternal loving servant of God, because I practice meditation on a regular basis, then I want to also share this realization and share this practice to others, because I want others also to experience that happiness, that satisfaction, that joy. Therefore, I will use the social media to reach many people. Okay? Haribol. Questions? Do you have questions? Let's chant. So may threads pala. Matagal na ba yan na threads? Let's have kirtan. Thank you very much sa mga nag-engage sa discussion. Haribol, kay Ninya, nag-drop by si Sir Edil, April, si Ma'am Marites, yan, and si Sheikh, yan, and si Saivik, yun, okay, and sa mga manunood sa record na. So let's have kirtan. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Haribol, Hare Krishna, Haribol, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna. Thank you, Ninya. Haribol, Namaste. Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Haribol, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Haribo, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Bol, Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Bol. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Bol. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Bol. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Bol. Hare Bol. Krishna. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Haribol. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Haribol. 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 Thank you very much. Haribol Ninya. April. Sai. Shake. Yan. Mamarites. Sir Edil. Sino pa yung si Roderick. Tama? Mila. Saan yung yeah, Roderick Milla. Okay. Haribol, see you next Sunday. Haribol, ingat po lahat.